Spa Jade Massage Comb Nature Gua Sha Board Acupuncture Head Massager Salon Supply Scalp Hair Brush Head Care Massager. Specifications: Color, light green. Material, beautiful jade. Size, approximate 850x4. 50x0 50 cm/3. 34x177x0. 20 inches. Features: Jade Massage Comb, natural jade material, comfortable massage experience, multifunctional hair care tools, portable, beautiful and elegant. Product features: Jade material, good quality, beautiful appearance. Comfortable massage experience, the teeth of the comb are round and smooth, CO.